noticing that as the only option for me to drink the water, the liquid, would be the use of the plastic bottles, which is squeezed under the shirt, so the body temperature keeps one warm during the winter time. And even when you go sleep, due to the problems that I have with the kidneys, with the liver, they created this was the frequent tool during MK Ultra. They always used a plastic bottle like this whenever they slept next to me, under the pillow to keep one warm and give me from one to drink. At the same time, they talk about harming plastic particles that are inside of the bottles like this, and that I'm not supposed to drink from the plastic bottle. Noticing this issue will be completely unavoidable for me during MK Ultra. Psychiatrist Kapsh also with my mother was just as I caught my mom right now. She boiled this goulash, whatever this is, with like this, with the shuffle plastic one inside of the like this, with the psychiatrist Peter Kapsch. With mother is insisting, once she realized how poisonous the plastic is, that she will do this. With psychiatrist Peter Kapsch only doing some kind of evaluation of something of the food, with Robert Golob, they evaluated how poisonous this stuff is, will be, and this is what my mother was using for the cooking. Like this, she would put inside and boil basically the plastic, because she was not exposed to this type of poisoning during MK Ultra, and I was, because the number of the particles, these are the chemicals that will collect in your body, like a PVC, and after the certain amount is done of this collection inside of your body, this is where you're going to feel the consequences. My mother was just doing exactly what I stated. Right here, right now, I confronted her, I asked her about it. She had no comment to say. Very often I find this shit like this inside of the whatever she cooks. So psychiatrist cops, they evaluated this. They have the Institute for National Health laboratory right here in the Nova Mesto city, where they would take the samples for analysis. If they could not do them here in Nova Mesto, in some cases, they would send them to Ljubljana and get them back and so on. As a matter of fact, I don't know how they did this stuff. So cooking plastic with the food was and is initiative of my mother. Not that she was taught to do that, because I remember Robert Golob saying, "Oh shit," and psychiatrist Kapsch was only happily laughing about it, smiling about it. She took initiative in it. Yes, it's going to the internet.